Yes.
May I please, Lord? May I make mention, my Lord, item 36. Here, my Lord, conducting lawyer is Guwahati-based lawyer. He is out there in Manipur. And due to arise of this Manipur crisis, my Lord, he couldn't turn up today. Therefore, this matter may be petition 20 of this month.
20.
20.
On the request of the learned counsel, Mr. M. Bose, the matter stands adjourned. List on 20 September.
Organized.
My Lord, I may move one RFA, my Lord. My Lord. It has been filed, my Lord.
When?
Yes, my Lord.
When?
Hey, my Lord.
Yes, I beg to mention item about 28, my Lord.
28.
My Lord. 28, my Lord. Yeah, my Lord, I was supposed to take this instruction from my client, my Lord, but I could not contact him, my Lord.
Okay.
Oh, I would pray, my Lord, this matter will be listed after 3 weeks, my Lord, with the consent of other side.
I'm for the respondent here.
Private respondent.
Private.
The learned counsel, Mr. L. Permit. Appearing for the petitioner. Submits that he needs some time to take instructions. I have also heard Mr. You are D.K. Devi. I have also heard Mr. D.K. Devi appearing for the respondent. The prayer of Mr. Parme is allowed. When do you want it?
After 3 weeks.
Least after 3 weeks.
My Lord, item number 18. Appellant is died, my Lord.
William died.
Yes, my Lord. So, the case.
Mr. S. Saxena. Appearing for the appellant submits that the appellant has expired. You want to continue with the appeal?
No, my Lord. Withdraw the case.
Therefore, Mr. Saxena submits that he wants to withdraw this appeal. The prayer for withdrawal is allowed. The appeal for the one withdrawal.
Yes, my Lord. My name is B.R. Das, my Lord. What's your name?
B.I. does.
B.R. Das. Yes, my Lord.
May I please? Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 26 with the consent of the other party. This matter may be listed after 2 weeks.
You are the respondent.
I'm for the respondent number 4. Your Lordship, can it be on the 4th of November?
4th of November. On the request of the learned counsel, Mr.
Idak Bam.
Appearing for the petitioner. The matter stands adjourned today. I have also heard Mr.
D. Senapati.
Appearing for the respondent number
4.
4. Release the matter again on 9th.
4th of November.
4th of November.
My Lordship, I'd like to mention item number 31. On
Item
behalf
number?
of Peter, 31.
31.
On behalf of Peter, senior.
The learned counsel, Mr. What is your name?
B. Sibo.
Appearing on behalf of Mr. The learned conducting counsel for the appeal and praise for an adjournment on the ground that Mr. Tapak is not available. Yes, sir. Hearing is adjourned today. List after 2 weeks for hearing. No. Obliged.
Yeah, Your Lordship.
Yes.
I beg to mention item number 1, Your Lordship.
1.
Yes. The council C. Modi is, Your Lordship, is out of station. Maybe this matter may be fixed on 20, Your Lordship.
20. Tea Learning Council MS,
P. Rimi,
appearing on behalf of Mr. C. Modi, the Learning Conducting Council for the petitioner, submits that Mr. Modi is out of station and underground and adjournment having prayed. The parade allowed. When do you want it?
yes, sir,
20,
20 years.
this 20 September.
God bless you.
Yes.
This is a criminal joint petition for coercing of FIR.
Where is the FI? Page number 12.
Yes.
I will call the KJ first. Charge sheet filed or no?
No, not yet.
Heard Mr. D.K. Devani. Appearing for the petitioners. Who is for a stake today? Call for a KJ. Which is the police station?
That is Rowing Police Station.
Rowing. East on 24 September.
Can it be on 18th September?
18 September. Yes.
This is a criminal petition for possibly my order that
Page number?
29, 2023, and the criminal proceeding. Basically, the prosecution is like this, the petitioner and the informant, they develop relations of their field. It's on 2021, my lord. Then everything was going, and petitioner was committed to marry him. It's only the question of whether false promise or breach of promise. That's the issue. Committed to marry. Therefore, my lord, he even went to his informant's house, met the parents, and even took the informant to his house, and they stayed in his house. So relations was going to. So there was no any objection from either side. It was open relationship, and he was very much committed. Then what happened, my lord? Later on, it hit that the informant was having a debt of more than 20 lakhs to some other person. Then this issue was then the parents of the petitioner came to know about this issue. Because victim also told you inform the parents about my debt liability problem. He informed. At that point of time, what happened? The father of the petitioner, his opinion is that now even we have not entered into marriage. Now if the girl is having such a habit of keeping on borrowing the money from others, if she is a habit of this thing, so it won't be good for future. So you should not marry. Then now my lord can understand the petitioner, my lord is completely dependent on family, and he's just started a business with the help of the father. Now he is in a situation between devil and deep blue blue sea, my lord, deep sea. It's like, my lord, now father is saying you cannot because she has a habit, wrong habit, so many liability, you will have a whole problem with life. But still he is coming. So in the meantime, see what will happen. So then petitioner told her that just wait, let me resolve the issue. Because right now my parents are completely against us. So in that winter, but petitioner, this informant was not ready. Then she asked for the money from the petitioner. Petitioner gave, she got herself awarded. Thereafter filed the FIR. So this is the case, Malad. Now, Malad, entire materials, Malad, on record. It doesn't so, Malad, cannot be inferred that the petitioner had bad intentions from inception. Why my lord had he had the benefit, why he should take the informant to the parents, make all the family members meet. My lord, let's see even my lord, photographs, my lord, page number 23. Page number 23, my lord, this is the family photographs with the petitioner.
Charge sheet filed on.
Charge sheet file, my charge has been framed, my lord, on the 370.
Okay, I will state the proceeding.
My lord.
Heard Mr. R. Sonar appearing for the petitioner. Nobody from the state. What happened?
It's in court number 2, one minor.
You are additional PP.
No, my lord. I'm government advocate, my lord. Additional PP is in court number 1, my lord. She's in court number 1.
So who will appear? Who will appear?
She will appear, my lord. After some time, my lord.
T. Ginny is also absent today.
Yes, my lord.
T.
TG.
Ente is also absent.
Lakshmi, what?
Yeah.
Lakshmi is also absent.
कोई नहीं है, कोई नहीं है, कोई नहीं है आज। हम भी तो TG में वो हमें court number 1 चंगे नहीं है।
Okay, Mr. Sonar, let some of them come. I will pass that order. I will stay the proceeding.
Right.
Okay. Item number 4.
May please, your lordship. May please, your lordship.
Yes.
Am I audible to your lordship?
You are audible, but you are not visible.
Lordship. Lord, here, summons have been issued, my lord, without taking cognizance of the offense, my lord.
You are referring to item number 4.
Item number 4, my lord. My lord,
Lordship,
You are also appealing.
I'm appearing on behalf of Mr. Martokato. He is engaged in court number 1, division bench. So, Lordship, he is humbly afraid that matter be passed over for time being.
Okay. But you are not visible in the computer.
Lordship, my lord,
It makes
from our side, doesn't appear to be any, my lord, difficulty, perhaps from the court side.
I don't know. Is there any problem in the computer?
Here, my lord, what happened factually, my lord, if I'm going to submit on that, my lord.
Okay.
The government of Arunachal, my lord, has sanctioned a scheme
Okay.
for
Wait for some time.
lordship.
Wait for some time.
5.
Okay.
Item number 4 and 5 may be passed over for time being.
In item number 3. Heard Mr. R. Sonar appearing for the petitioner. Heard Mr. M.S.T. Gini, the additional public prosecutor for the state of Arunachal Pradesh. Issue notice. No formal notice is required to be sent to the respondent number 1. As because M.S. Gini has accepted notice, extra copy of the petition shall be provided to her. The petitioner shall take steps for service of notice of the respondent number 2 through the concerned police station. Petitioner shall take steps accordingly. Least up to 4 weeks. What is the GR case number?
Session case number.
Huh? Sessions case number? Oh, yes.
Children's case number 5.
05/2022.
Least up to 4 weeks. Till returnable date. The further proceeding of sessions case number 05 of 2023. Pending in the court of
Special judge,
learned special judge.
not special judge, session judge.
Learned session judge UPA. Shall mean statement. Yes, 4 and 5. 4 and 5.
4 and 5, Lordship, Mr. M. Kato is engaged in court number 1, so he's trying for the matter be
After some time.
after something.
4 and 5. Pass over some time. I'll be glad to help. I think over this.
My lord, in this case, my lord, petitioner is seeking the grant of the pension benefit from the all scheme, my lord. My lord, petitioner husband was appointed as ALC at Pasigat in the year 1976 on temporary basis in the office of the additional deputy commissioner Pasigat. Thereafter, a couple of transfer has been made. He went to Nari, he went to Mariang, and Pasigat again, and Ruxin. Later on, his service has been given in the department of RWD. My lord, in RWD, my lord, he is appointed as a chokidar in the year
Yes.
in the year 1987. Oh, 1987. 87, yes. Thereafter, he has been continuously working as chokidar in the race house, Ruxin race house. There is a race house where he was appointed as a chokidar under the disposal of RWD department. And in the year 2008, my lord, his service has been regularized.
Okay, now you are not getting pension.
Yes. And after the introduction of NPS, that's why my pensions paper has been
When did you retire?
My lord, I'm not retired. I have my husband has expired on 2017, and thereafter department has executive engineering of Pasigat has submitted all his service book and pension paper before to the higher authority and director audit and pension. And director audit and pension has passed an impugn letter. Impugn letter maybe look into, my lord.
Page number?
Page number 43. It's a type copy 44.
44.
44 type copy. Wherein paragraph 1, it is said that the service of the incumbent has been regularized with effect from 21/10/1983 by government order number this and this. And necessary entry has made in his service book by page number 14. Entry has been made as per the government appointment 2012-2008. Second paragraph, as per the regularized his service by order number this. The incumbent is entitled to get benefit for pension. Oh, sorry. This is not impugn order. Impugn order is, sorry, at 47. Sorry. imping order is at 47. 5 copy. It is first paragraph. It is clearly mentioned in the appointment order that the late Ram Bahadur Bujal was engaged as a casual sweeper with effect from 21/10/1983 to 25/11.
Okay, we reach for a state. Here for a state.
I am appearing for respondent 2, 4 and 5. RWD.
2, 4, 2, 4, 5.
2, 4 and 5, yes.
2, 4, 5. And you were for 1, 3.
1 and 3.
1 and 3.
My lord, at this stage, notice may be issued.
But the learned counsel, Mr.
Odugo.
Appearing for the petitioner. Hard MS. Appearing for the respondents 1 and 3. Hard Mr.
G. Tarak.
You are a government.
Standing counsel RWD.
The learned standing counsel for the
Rural work.
Rural Work Department. Appearing for the respondents 2, 4 and 5. Issue notice, no formal notice is required to be sent to the respondents as because the learning councils representing the respondents have accepted notice. When you will find the
Extra copy.
or extra copy of the read petitions have been provided to the learned councils representing the respondents. When after 4 weeks, least after 4 weeks.
Number 7.
Right, please, madam.
Yes.
Madam, my case is that the district magistrate come a deputy commissioner is grant arm license to the petitioner. Madam, the arm license is annexed at page number
13.
13. Madam.
Yes.
Madam, the expiry of the arm license was on 31. Hello, can you see page number 35?
After expiry, what happened?
Well, after expiry, my lord, the petitioner submitted addiction form for the renewal of the-
Renewal, yes.
Yes. My lord, but the district magistrate denied without any reason. I think any reason, my lord.
That is why this petition is.
Yes, my lord. That's my lord. This
I will issue notice now. I will issue notice.
my lord, direction may be given to the district magistrate to consider the addiction submitted by the.
So later take instructions why it was not renewed.
Actually, my lord, there was one blanket ban order, my lord. There was one blanket ban order, my lord, of renewal of license, my lord. In the year 2018, my lord. That's why it's.
Okay, you find it in writing. If anybody in the position. Hard Mr.
Omar.
Appearing for the petitioner. You are for all the
All
three.
the, yes, my lord, all the respondents.
Hard MS.
T. Wangmu.
You are government advocate.
Yes, my lord.
The learned government advocate. Appearing for all the three respondents. Issue notice. No formal notice is required to be sent as because MS so and so has accepted notice. Extra copy of the petition shall be provided to her. Least after 4 weeks. Yes. Please put a petition.
Petitioner, my lord.
As small is there, his name is there. Next Monday, none appears for a petitioner on call. Hard Mr.
I'm decomped, my lord, for land management department.
The learned council so and so appearing for the respondents.
1 and 2.
1 to 8.
1 and 2, my lord.
Huh?
1 and 2.
1 and 2.
Oh, 1 and 2.
Yes, ma'am.
For issue notice, no formal notice is required to be sent to the respondents 1 and 2. As because Mr. So-and-so had accepted notice, the petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the remaining respondents by registered post AD. List of the polls.
I'm sorry, my lord. I am appearing for respondent 2 and 3, my lord.
Respondents 2 and 3. Huh? 1 and 4. Hard MS so-and-so appearing for respondents 1 and 4.
Item number 9.
May I submit, my lord?
Yes.
Lord, here, my lord, my case, my lord, I have been, my lord, transfer within 10 months, my lord, of my joining any joining of new place of posting, my lord. Whereas, my lord, no, my lord, the guideline, my lord, say it normal tenure of transfer is 2 years, my lord. I have been transferred within 10 months, my lord. Now, my lord will see, my lord, page number 17, my lord.
Who is for the you are for the
Yes, my
land management.
My lord will see it. Kindly have a look at 17, my lord.
Page number 17.
17, my lord. My name, my lord, will by the 7th, my lord. Serial number 7, my lord. Chitanatonu, my lord. 7, my lord. I am concerned with 7 only, my lord. Now, next page, my lord. Page 19, my lord. Annexation number 2, my lord. This is the earlier transfer order, my lord. 4 July 2023, my lord. Now, next page, my lord. This is type of next page 21, my lord, will see, my lord.
So you are aggrieved by the transfer.
Transfer, my lord. I, my lord, within 10 months, my lord, my joining new place of posting, my lord. Where is transfer guideline, my return, my lord, it is 2 years, my lord. My lord will see page number 21, my lord. In term of earlier transfer order, my lord, I was released on 6 November 2023, my lord. 6 November, page number 21, my lord. This is by the, in partial modification dated see Tanap Tonu, my lord. That is me, my lord. I was released on my lord, kind of 6 November 2023, my lord. Now at page number 22, my lord. I joined my new place of posting on 14 November. In term of this order, my lord, I joined in 14 November 2023, my lord. Now, my lord.
You joined in 0.
No, my lord, I joined at East Coming, my lord. East Coming. East Coming SEPA, my lord.
SEPA.
In term of earlier transfer order, my lord. I joined at SEPA, my lord. Now, from SEPA, my lord, this order, my lord, at page number 17, my lord. This is of 30 August 2024, my lord. I have been transferred, my lord, within 10 months, my lord. Whereas, my lord will kind of page number 5 series, my lord. This is the transfer policy and guideline, my lord, adopted by the state of state of Arunachal Pradesh, my lord. Now, type out, my lord, will see at 26, my lord. Earlier, it happened, it was 3 years, my lord. Normal transfer would be 3 years, my lord, but that was subsequently, my lord, amended at page number 29, my lord. Page number 29. Page number 29, my lord. I am reading page number 29, my lord. In partial modification of this office, June 1990, regarding policy guideline on transfer and posting of all category of officer and staff in Arunachal Pradesh, the governor of Arunachal Pradesh is pleased to modify Part B and to order that the tenure of posting in all the government posting shall be 2 years instead of 3 years, my lord. Now, earlier it happened to be 3 years in term 1998 guideline, my lord. That was now reduced to 2 years, my lord. Same, my lord, this was reiterated in at page number 31, my lord. Again, my lord, again, this is reiterated, my lord. Page number 31, my lord. 31, my lord. I am speaking a para, second para, my lord. Further, it is hereby clarified that in terms of guideline under reference, the normal tenure of posting of all category of officer and staff is 2 years, my lord. Now, this is the guideline applicable to all the officer, my lord. It said 2 years, my lord. Whereas, my lord, I have been transferred within 10 months of my joining of my new place of posting, my lord. So, I have, my lord, submit one representation, my lord, to concerned authority on 6/9/2022, my lord, for reconsideration, my lord.
Okay, let him take instructions why you were transferred within 10 months.
my lord. That's why, my lord, my humble submission, my lord, I have made a category plea, my lord. Now, the person who is coming to my place, my lord, has also not been released, my lord, and I also have been not released, my lord. So, my humble submission, my lord, my lord, kindly with this, my lord, this is division bench judgment, my lord. After this is recent one, my lord. After discussing, my lord, all though, my lord, this policy, my lord, don't have in does not give me a enforceable right, my lord. But then, my lord, this policy, my lord, need to be considered, my lord, while giving a transfer, my lord. So my humble submission at this stage, my lord, would be, my lord will issue a notice, my lord, call for the record, my lord. See whether, my lord, while affecting my transfer, my lord, premature transfer, my lord, whether this policy, my lord, 2 years policy has been considered by the competent authority or not, my lord.
I will issue notice on it. Hard Mr. L permit.
My lord, I am paying, my lord, some. If my lord is not staying, my lord will kindly status quo, my lord. Will do, my lord.
Interim now.
Pardon, my lord.
Hard Mr. L permit paying for the petitioner. Hard Mr.
He come to my lord.
He come to paying for the respondents. Issue notice. No formal notice is required to be sent to the respondents as because Mr. Kamduk has accepted notice. Extra copy of the petition shall be provided to him. You take instructions, list after 4 weeks.
Status quo, my lord,
No status quo.
my lord, kindly with this judgment for the time being, my lord, my humble submission, my lord,
No interim or none.
my lord, if my lord, then my lord, my humble submission, my lord will direct, my lord, my representation, my lord. At page number, my lord, kindly, my lord, representation, it is at page number 32, my lord. That may be considered, my lord.
Let him take instructions why you were transferred. I do not know why you were transferred. He has something to say.
Yes.
So
then, my lord, immediately, my otherwise, my lord, this
transfer is the prerogative of the state.
yes, truly, my that has been discussed in this judgment, my lord. But my lord, my humble submission, only humble submission is my
no interim order now.
I'll take instruction, my lord.
instruction in my lord day after tomorrow, my lord. Kindly, my lord. Let them take instruction, my lord.
List after 2 weeks.
To my lord, say that matter will be in process, my lord. My humble submission, my lord.
2 weeks is minimum.
Then, my lord, kindly, my lord, this representation only, my lord, be considered, my lord. My this matter be disposed of, my lord. Directing the representation be considered by the competent authority, my lord, until that status quo, my lord. That will do, my lord.
If he's praying for this.
Only representation, my lord. Let
disposal of the
competent authority decide, my
representation,
lord.
Extra copy of the petition shall be provided to him. Para. The respondents are directed to dispose of the representation filed by the petitioner within next 2 weeks.
And then till that, my lord, status quo, my lord. I'm not praying for stay, my lord.
List after 2 weeks. No status quo. Yes, next.
Item number 10.
Yes.
What time for a respondent?
Petitioner is absent today. None appears for the petitioner on call. Hard Mr. T. Pangi. Appearing for the respondents. Since none appears for the petitioner on call, the matter stands adjourned. List after 3 weeks.
Item number 12.
May I please, my lord? My lord, this is a joint petition, my lord. Filed by the, my lord, parents of the minor children, my lord, and the petitioner, my lord. My lord will see, first, my lord, 11.
May I, your lordship, my lord, this is a washing petition. Washing of the criminal proceeding pending before the CGM, my lord. My lord, kindly see the charge sheet. It's finding of the investigation. It's page
Please for the respondent number 2.
Respondent number 2 has already been appeared. Okay, that is there, my
On
lord.
behalf of the respondent number 2, I will say, I will give one last chance to the respondent number 2.
He has already appeared, my lord. Last occasion also is.
Pada is for 1.
My lord,
But who is for the respondent number two?
My lord, the informant was there.
He has already appeared.
Mr. Davi was appearing for
Davi was-
informant.
I will give him one chance. Today he is absent.
Well, let it come up tomorrow, man. I will inform, man, because the person petitioner before lordship is 80 years old, is bedridden.
Heard Mr. S.K. Devi.
Let it
appearing
be
for the
tomorrow,
petitioner.
man.
Heard Mr. Opada. Appearing for the respondent number one. None appears for the respondent number two. In spite of service of notice and in spite of filing of Wakalatnama. Para. This court is of the opinion that the respondent number two deserves to be given an opportunity to contest this case. Therefore, today's case is adjourned. Least after 3 weeks,
Well, let
it is hereby directed that if on the next date, the respondent number two does not appear, the other party shall be heard.
Obliged, my lord.
Like, if possible, man, tomorrow I will inform the council.
This is a high court, this is
Yeah,
not a lower court.
Yes,
Things do not run like you.
obviously, my lord.
Obliged,
That is
man.
true. Apply.
Item number 5.
Item number? Yes.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, this pertains to one proposed reserve forest, my lord. My lord, there was a preliminary notification in
But somebody appeared through videos. Who appeared? In this case? Who appeared?
Yes, that was for Marto Kata. He is the performer responding. Item number 4.
In item number 4. This is item number
5.
5. Yes.
My lord, there was a preliminary notification, my lord, for proposal to constitute a reserve forest. This was in 1980, my lord. Annexure 1, my lord, page 42 to 44. After that, there was a proclamation under section 6 of the Assam Forest Regulation at page 45. Now, my lord, the Assam Forest Regulation, Assam Forest Regulation, my lord, it envisages, my lord, an inquiry after the proclamation, and if there are any claims and objections, it, my lord, comes to section 5 of the Assam Forest Regulation.
Page number?
My lord, in page number 9, most probably. In my book, it is 9.
It starts page number 6 over there.
Oh, here it will be page number 6, I'm told.
Starts.
Starts at 6.
Page number?
6, starts at 6, I'm told. my lord.
Assam Forest Regulation.
My lord,
1891.
1890. Well, it's section 5 is the preliminary notification.
Forest offense.
No, my lord, Assam Forest Regulation.
No. Yeah. Section 5.
Section 5, my lord. Notification by state government of proposal to constitute reserve forest.
Yeah, Assam Forest Regulation, section 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
My lord, forest offense is, my lord, section 3(5), the definition section. Subsection 5 of section 3. Thereafter.
Yeah. 5.
5. Notification by state government for a proposal to constitute a reserve forest. My lord, wherever it is proposed. My lord.
Section 5 or 6?
5, my lord. 6 is proclamation.
No. Section 5.
5, my lord.
Here it is saying in section 5.
Notification by state government of proposal to constitute a reserve forest.
To find out the
Right. Yes, yes, my lord. The second, my lord, on the side column, my lord, on the other page, my lord, the first page.
Oh, notification by state
Yes, my
government
Yes, my lord.
or proposal to continue
Constitute a reserve
a
forest.
reserve forest.
Whenever it is proposed to constitute any land, a reserve forest, the state government shall publish a notification in the official gazette specifying as nearly so and so. My lord, this is the proposal. Thereafter, my lord, may come to section 6, proclamation by forest settlement officer. When a notification has been published under section 5, the forest settlement officer shall publish in the language of the country at the headquarters of each district and subdivision in which any portion of the land comprised in such notification is situate, and in every town and village of the neighborhood of such land, a proclamation specifying as nearly as possible the situation and limits of the proposed forest, setting forth the substance of the provisions of the next following section. C, explaining the consequences which hereinafter provided will ensue on reservation of such forests. D, fixing a period of not less than 3 months from the date of publication of such proclamation and requiring every person claiming any right or making any claim referred to or mentioned in section 5 either to present to such officer within such period a written notice specifying or to appear before him within such period and state the nature of right of claim. Thereafter, section 7 is bar on accrual of forest of rights after the proclamation. 8 is an inquiry by the forest settlement officer. Then 9 gives the powers. Then may come to 11.
Yes.
Power to acquire land over which right is claimed. In case of claim to a right in or over any land other than the following rights, namely right of way, right of watercourse, right to pasture or forest produce, the forest settlement officer shall pass an order specifying the particulars of such claim and admitting or rejecting such claim wholly or in part. If such claim is admitted wholly or in part, the forest settlement officer may come to an agreement with the claimant for surrender of right, exclude the land from limits of proposed forest, or proceed to acquire the land in the manner provided under the Land Acquisition Act 1870, at that time 1870, thereafter 1894, so on and so forth. And 3, for the purpose of so acquiring land, the forest officer shall be deemed to be a collector. This is on the acquisition. So here what happened, my lord, after the preliminary notification and the proclamation under section 6, there were hearings by the forest settlement officer, that is the deputy commissioner. Now, my lord may come to Annexure 8 from page 56 onwards.
Yes.
This is the minutes of the meeting. My lord, they were present, including the MLAs and Zilla Parishad vice president, so and so, my lord. My lord may come to the next page, my lord. Yes. It is on the attendance, their objections and all. Next page, my lord, page 2. At the top, the people of Ballet Group has already provided enough land for Pasighat Township, Pasighat Reserve Forest, JN College, Jawaharlal Nehru College, GTC, etc. as follows. The areas of the lands which we have earlier donated, that is there. Then it is not possible to spare more land by the people of Ballet Group for proposed CP forest under constrained circumstances and will be required for growing population of the villages under Ballet. The reason why the people cannot spare more land for proposed CP reserve forest at this stage is that the present tract of land is required by the people for their own use, namely for cultivation, collection of building materials, hunting, etc. by the villagers of Ballet Group. They also require the land for use by their future generation. In addition, some individual villagers also possess land inside CP forest, which they are not willing to part with for reservation of the forest. However, he assured that all efforts will be made so that the people do not cut timbers from the catchment areas of CP forest. All members present have supported the above fact and refused to provide any land for proposed CP reserve forest. Next is the draft, my lord. Now, my lord may come to page 60.
Yes.
My lord, he writes to the chief conservator of forest, the deputy commissioner come forest settlement officer. With reference to the above, I am to inform you that a meeting was convened with all concerned public leaders and villagers on 16/7/86 in my office chamber, where the matter was discussed elaborately. The public leaders, ASM and villagers clearly opined that they are not willing to spare any land for the proposed CP reserve forest under the constrained circumstances as contained in the minutes of the meeting, copy of which is enclosed herewith. Considering the view of public and future growing population of Ballet Group, it is felt wise to drop the proposal to reserve it, to invite more problems in the area, as the same villagers had already given much area as mentioned in the last minutes of the meeting. As such, proposal for declaring the above area into reserve forest may please be dropped. My lord, this is again, my lord, reiterated at page 61. 61 by the deputy commissioner again to the conservator of forest.
The government wants to take over your land for CP reserve forest.
CP reserve forest.
You are against that.
We are against that because it is our land. And the forest settlement officer himself, he accepted our claims, and therefore he proposed to drop the proposal to reserve it. This is reiterated also thereafter. My lord, page 62, then page 63. All these are for dropping.
Yes.
And also page 64, that we had given representations. My lord, till now, there is no finalization of this reserve forest, of the reserve forest area. And my lord, we are left in the limbo. We are not being issued land settlement certificates. That is why we are aggrieved, my lord. My lord, if the government wants to do it, the government has the power. Lordship has read section 11. If they want to acquire, or if they want the area to be constituted, they have to acquire the land. That is what the law says. But what they have done, the proposal is there, and now everything is kept in suspended animation, my lord. We are not being issued land settlements. I have annexed those documents, my lord. They are refusing, my lord, and also, my lord, from page 77 to 79, our prayers for issuance of land settlement certificates have been rejected. And my lord, there were other proposals by the earlier director of forest, my lord, saying that it should be dropped. Nothing is being done. Therefore, we are before lordships. And my lord, we are on the impugned letter, my lord, at page 82.
Yes.
The conservator, chief conservator, writes to the DFO, my lord, by this 29 February 24, inviting reference to the joint representation so-and-so, next para, second para, my lord, if my lord may come. In this connection, it is to inform you that notification of CP PRF, proposed reserve forest, was issued by number so-and-so dated 8/5/1980 for an area of 40 square kilometer, and Deputy Commissioner Pasighat was appointed as forest settlement officer to inquire into and determine the existence, nature, and extent of any rights claimed by any person over any land within the limits described in the schedule under the provisions of Assam Forest Regulation 1891. Since there is no provision of withdrawal of preliminary notification of the proposed reserve forest under Assam Forest Regulation, the Deputy Commissioner E. Siang, who is the forest settlement officer of all areas, may be requested to take up hearing settlement of rights and claims which may alter the boundary of PRF. But we are aggrieved by this letter. But from 1980, they have not done anything. And we are being harassed every day, my lord. So that is why, my lord, we are before lordships, my lord. My lord, today, may I pray? My lord, earlier also, there were some, Mizoram. My lord, in a similar reserve forest, and there is another of Mizoram, my lord. The first one, my lord, is of Arunachal. The first one, my lord, is of Pasighat, very near, my lord. About 2 kilometers from our area. My lord may come to para, Mizoram. My lord may come to para 10. Then 11, my lord. Internal page 38, my lord. Towards the end, my lord. 38 of 41.
Para 11.
Para 11, my lord. Page 38. The page number is towards the top.
Yes.
From the, this is of 2023, this judgment, my lord. From the pleadings of parties and documents placed on records reveal the following admitted facts and circumstances. Preliminary notification under Section 5 of Assam Forest Regulation was issued on 8 August 1967, proposing to declare Pasighat Station Reserve, comprising an area of 398 acres. After issuance of preliminary notification, a final notification dated 18 October 1980 was issued under Section 17 of the Regulation 1891, declaring 398 area as Pasighat Station Reserve. Though the land measuring 398 acre is same, but in both the preliminary notification and final notification are the same, yet boundaries described in the schedule of both the notifications are different. The final notification has not covered the area described in the schedule of the notification. After publication of the preliminary notification, procedure prescribed in section 6, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17 of the Assam Forest Regulation, which are mandatorily required to be followed, have not been followed. Land of the petitioner is not covered by the final notification. Petitioners have been dwelling in the area covered by preliminary notification much prior to issuance of the same. Several government establishments are there in the land covered by preliminary notification, and the land is also being altered to establish a medical college thereon. In view of these indisputable factual position, there appears to be substance in the contention so made by in the petition of the petitioner that the preliminary notification dated 8 April 1967 under Section 5 of the Assam Forest Regulation 1891 lost its significance as the area covering 398 acres, which was being proposed to be declared as a reserve forest, was not followed by a final notification after due consideration of the formalities so prescribed in Section 6, 8 so-and-so of the Assam Forest Regulation 1891, covering the same area. The factual position remains indisputable, and thereafter so-and-so. And this notification was squashed by para 13. And so
Okay, today I will issue notice.
My lord, may I pray, my lord,
Hmm.
insofar as that impugned letter is concerned, my lord, could the operation of that letter be stayed? My lord? The other is of Mizoram, similar situation. I am not bothering lordship with that.
Third, Mr. P.D. Nair, appearing for a petition. Third, MS. You are appearing for all the respondents.
Yes, I'm for respondent number 1 to 7, Your Lordship.
Third, MS,
P. Pangu, Your Lordship.
appearing for the respondents.
1 to 7.
1 to
1 to
7.
7. This
Mr.
for 8.
Madam, Mr. Kato is there, he's pro forma, my lord. Because we don't have much grievance against us, but since Forest is, therefore we made him a party. Mr. Kato appears.
Mr. Kato. M. Kato.
M. Kato.
Issue notice. No formal notice is required to be sent to the respondents 1 to 7, as because MS so and so has accepted notice. The petitioners are directed to serve the notice upon the learned standing council for the respondent number 8.
We have already served, my lord.
You have
Excellent.
already served.
My.
Then you write, Mr. Nair has submitted that he has already served the notice upon the learned standing council for the respondent number 8. Fair. Least after 4 weeks. Till returnable date. The operation of the page number 82.
82, my lord.
Till returnable date. The operation of the letter number 4-69 stroke CAC stroke FCC stroke 994-97. This is in page number 82. Written by the Chief Conservator of Forest, Central Circle, Pasigat, to the Divisional Forest Officer, Pasigat, Forest Division, Pasigat, shall remain stay.
The date may also be mentioned, but after the number.
After the number dated 29 February 2024, written by so and so to so and so, shall remain stay.
Deeply observed.
Item number 12.
May I please, ma'am?
Yes.
Well, this is a joint petition, my lord, filed by the, my lord, parents and the petition number 1 who is the alleged accused, my lord. My lord, on 2 grounds, my lord, I am seeking, praying this honorable court for setting and quashing the criminal case, my lord. First is, my lord, that even, my lord, leaving aside this compromise, my lord, agreement, my lord, whether, my lord, even from the charge sheet or the, my lord, materials available on the record, my lord, whether the case, prima facie case has been made out of section.
Okay, next week, I will take it next week. Hard Mr. R. Sonar appearing for the petitioner. List matter next week. Item number 13. Petitions are zero.
Special POCSO.
Public hospital and special just POCSO zero. In, what is the case number?
Case number 012020.
Okay, give it to her, case number. Shall remain stay.
Right, yeah. Item number 16. Roy Williams.
Item number 16.
Yes, here. Item number 16,
Item number.
Roy
16.
Venya, criminal,
86. This is only 80. 80 is item number. Criminal petition.
no,
Item number 15.
where is the cost list?
I deeply apologize, Your Lordship. There's no PP present today, Your Lordship. I had to run to the court number 1 and 2.
Oh, in the morning hours, I was looking for PP.
Yes, everyone is absent today, Your Lordship, for some difficulties, Your Lordship. I could not appear in both the courts.
This one has already been done. Item number 16. Roy Venya, criminal.
Kaya na.
$16. Yes, 80 of 24. Your Lordship, this is a joint criminal petition filed by the petitioner number 1.
80 is item number 15 here. So order will be passed in item number 15.
Yes, order was for 15. This is,
Yes.
this is a joint criminal petition filed by petitioner number 1, that is accused, and petitioner number 2, victim informant, for quashing and setting aside of the proceeding. On dated 5/9/2024, Your Lordship has observed that after perusing the LCR, had stated that that the victim informant to file a affidavit, because the affidavit that was filed was shown before the notary officer, so that it should be filed before the High Court. So today I have filed it.
Have you filed it?
Yes, Your Lordship.
She is 25 years.
Yes, now she is 25 years.
At that time,
She was 19 years.
19.
Yes, and petitioner number 1, the accused was 22 years. Now he's 27 years, and the petitioner number 2 is
What
25
you have to
years.
say?
Your Lordship, if Your Lordship, we see the signatory of the victim in the authorization letter, Your Lordship. It's completely different to the signature in the agreement.
Yes.
But where is the affidavit? You have filed to this. Is it available in there or is it not available?
नहीं हमको नहीं कौन सा लगा?
Is it there?
नहीं मिला
Affidavit, she has filed an affidavit.
I have not received the affidavit.
It's with the main file, actually. They'll have to give a copy. एक PP के लिए भी नहीं.
नहीं आप लोग को देना पड़ता.
They have taken one copy for you. Bagla.
I have not received the affidavit copy.
It is not available in the record of.
I have already filed yesterday, day before yesterday, that is. Because this was a fixed item.
Okay, item number 15, you write. MS SB Danal,
Yes.
the learned counsel for the petitioners has submitted that day before yesterday, she has filed an affidavit sworn by the petitioner number 2. No, but the same is not available in the record. Therefore, registry is directed to tag that affidavit in the record and list tomorrow.
Deeply.
That is item number 15. What about the 16?
May I please, Lordship?
Please 16. Item number 16.
Lordship, this is also a joint criminal petition filed under section 482 of CRPC force.
Is it a joint petition?
Lordship. On the basis of agreement, joint agreement dated 27 day of March 2024. Lordship, page number 55, annexure 2 is the joint agreement wherein the accused person.
The offenses are under what section?
Lordship, these are compoundable offenses, Lordship. Lordship. These offenses are compoundable in nature.
Compoundable in nature.
Lordship.
Then you have to compound it in the trial court.
Lordship.
Why for question?
Lordship, since they have
Absolutely.
mutually settled the case.
You can compound it in the trial court.
Lordship.
482 cannot be used here.
Yes, absolutely.
Hard, Mr.
Titaba.
Tabang appearing for the petitioners. Hard MST Gini, they learned additional public prosecutor for the state of Bonus Police. Para. This is an application under section 482 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973. Praying for pausing and setting aside the proceedings of ZR case number 203 of 2011. Corresponding to ITA PS case number 119 of 2011 under sections 341 and 323 of the Indian Penal Code, radio section 34 of the same. Para. I have considered the submissions made by the learned counsels of both sides. Para. The offenses under sections 341 and 323 are compoundable under section 320 of the Criminal Procedure Code. Therefore, there is no necessity to exercise the power under section 482 of the CRPC by this court. The petitioners are advised to approach the trial court for compounding the offense. With the aforesaid direction, the present criminal petition stands closed and disposed of.
Deeply.
Deeply.
Sorry, sir.
Item number 19. What about 17? Already solved. Item number 19. Yes, who is for item number 19? Your Lordship, I am for the respondent, Your Lordship. Affidavit, only swearing part is left, Your Lordship. So further 2 weeks time may be granted, Your Lordship, we will find. You are for the petitioner.
And I'm appealing for the petitioner. Since the past 2-3 hearings, Your Honor, the opposite counsel has been taking time to file the affidavit.
So he is on official.
So only
because of that reason.
only 1 week time may be given, Your Honor. Max.
Hard MS.
T.Y. Bhusya.
Appearing for the petitioner. Hard Mr. T.Y. AK Singh. Lordship. Hard Mr. AK Singh appearing for the respondent. Mr. Singh prays for 2 weeks time to file the affidavit in opposition. Lordship. After hearing both sides, the prayer is allowed. List after 3 weeks.
Pleasure.
May I, Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, the service report upon respondent is still awaited. I may be allowed to take fresh step, Lordship.
Press tips
Yes,
upon respondent number,
sole respondent.
sole respondent.
Yes,
How you will take the steps by registered post or dusty?
registered first.
Registered. Heard, Mr.
Key time.
Appearing for the petitioner.
Lordship, I may be allowed to take dusty service also. Lordship. I may be allowed to take dusty service as well.
You will take dusty side.
Yes.
The petitioner is
treated by the police. Now the case is in the stage of trial.
So who is Dinesh Musardi?
Lordship, he is the accused person.
He is the accused.
Yes, Lordship.
And there are two other.
Yes, there are two accused person.
Brahma.
Yes, he is also accused person.
Accused.
And the informant,
Selo Takan.
yes, Lordship.
He is
See,
the informant.
yes,
His motorcycle was stolen.
No, it's a
Lordship, yes. His motorbike has been alleged to have been stolen by these two accused person. But Lordship, on dated 7th day of May 2024, both
What
the
is this deed of agreement? They have entered into an agreement.
Lordship, both the accused person and this complainant victim, they have mutually entered into an agreement before the notary public, and they have decided not to go for the further prosecution of the case.
Okay, Ginny.
Your Lordship, I have not been provided with a settlement copy, Your Lordship. It's not annexed in my petition. If that may be provided to me, Your Lordship, because
You do not have the petition.
incomplete petition, the agreement is not a part of my petition.
So give her a copy. Hard Mr.
Titava.
Dita. Affiliate for the petitioner. Hard MST Ginny Dilana additional public prosecutor for a state of order for this. MS Ginny has submitted that she has not been given the complete copy of the application. Therefore, the petitioner is directed to provide the entire application, copy of the entire application to MSGD, list next week.
Lordship, in the meantime, Lordship, order dated passed on 16/5/2024 may be continued. That is regarding the stay of the case.
The interim order passed will continue until
Yes.
Deeply obliged.
Interim may be continued, Lordship.
interim order continue.
Lords. Deeply obliged.
Mention kariye.
My lordship, may I mention item number 17?
17.
Yes, my lord.
Criminal petition.
Yes, my lord.
What is the case
This is-
number?
This is the petition for questioning of FIR. Actually, it was a purely business and civil transaction between the accused and the complainant.
What is the number of the case? What is the number of the case?
I am.
108.
108, yes, ma'am.
What happened? Did you
108.
What already passed? Who is the case? You have taken. And now 17. Who was sitting here? Huh? Oh, also. Yes, please proceed.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, respondent was served on the last date of hearing and he was filed his counter affidavit. So firstly, I am trying to showing this one before court, the business transaction, and he was the customer of the petitioner. So kindly see pair number 5 of its counter affidavit, of its joint affidavit.
Your Lordship will be needing the CD otherwise, Your Lordship. This is for quashing of the FIR.
You need the CD.
Yes, we'll be needing the CD, Your Lordship.
Okay, I will call the CD.
Hello.
Mr. What is your name?
My name is Virender Singh and Mr. Sandeep Diyar.
Mr. Virender Singh. Appearing for the petitioner.
My lord, I'm sorry to.
Yes.
My lordship, my humble prayer to stay the proceeding arising out from the FIR till the next date of hearing as this one.
Your Lordship, since this is not for the stay of the proceeding, Your Lordship, investigation is going on, Your Lordship. On the first occasion, the prayer
My
for the
lord, my case
not
is
yet filed.
for
On
passing
the
the
first-
present FIR
first
because
day
it's purely
fir-
civil in nature. Kindly
day of-
see.
When the
Must
matter
see
of
counter affidavit See counter affidavit of the respondent number 2. See the para 5, my lord.
Okay, I will see it on the next date.
Yes.
If we for the petitioner. Hard MST Genie did not additional public prosecutor for the state of order for this. Hard Mr. You are for respondent number 2.
I'm for respondent number 2.
What is your name?
T by.
Hard Mr. T by if we for the respondent number 2. Para. MS Genie submits that for disposal of this criminal petition, case diary will be required. Para. After hearing both sides, the prayer of MS Genie is allowed. Call for the case diary. When it will come?
On 23rd, your lordship.
List on 23rd, 25th September.
25th.
Lordship, 25th.
25th. My lord,
September.
should kindly stay the proceeding of the
It will
investigation.
be considered on the next date. After going to the case diary,
Okay.
it will be considered.
Deeply approved.
For item number 4.
Let me have. Yes.
Sorry, I was in the court number 1.
Yes, yes.
At this stage, may I pray that my notice may be only issued, madam. In the meantime, I'll take instruction, madam.
Oh, you wait for some time. Item number 4. Yes.
4, madam.
But this is a quasi petition, my lord, against the proceeding, my lord, that is now pending in the court of the special judge UPM. My lord, without taking cognizance of the offense, my lord, the summons have been issued. And now the matter has been fixed for my lord, consideration of charges.
Summons
The order-
not issued.
Well, the
Summons
cognizance
not
has, summon have been issued, but cognizance has not been, my lord, taken. The order that is available in the record, your lordship will find at page 159. My lord, in fact, the charge sheet was submitted in the court of the special judge, Shillong. Subsequently, pursuant to the order of the Honorable Supreme Court, matter was transferred to this court. And this is the first order, my lord, at page 159. My lord, on the submission of the, my lord, counsel for the CBI, the matter, the summons have been issued. And by the next order, it has been fixed for consideration of my lord, charge. There is no other order, my lord, in the records, my lord, prior to 9/8/2023. But on the e-court services, my lord, we have found one order dated 7/1/2019. Lordship will find at page 147.
Okay, all right. I will stay the proceeding.
Lordship, my lord.
Heard the learned senior counsel, Mr. P.J. Saikia. Appearing for the petitioner. Heard Mr. M. Kato.
Madam.
The
Sitting
learned
counsel for the CBI.
standing counsel for the
CBI, madam.
CBI. For the petitioners.
Gotcha.
There are many petitioners.
There are 42 petitions.
Huh?
42 petitioners, my lord.
42 petitioners.
42. Out of that, my lord, 22 are the women. My lord. They are just the beneficiaries of the, my lord, the scheme.
Okay. Heard Mr. M. Kato, the learned standing counsel for CBI. Issue notice. No formal notice is required to be sent to the respondent as because Mr. Kato has accepted notice. Extra copy of the petition shall be provided to him. List after 4 weeks. Para. Heard the learned counsels of both sides in the matter of a prayer for interim protection. Mr. Saikia has submitted that the learned court below, without taking cognizance of the charge sheet, had issued notice to the present petitioners. Para. I have considered the submissions made by the learned counsels of both sides. It is hereby directed that till eternable date, the further proceedings of CBI case number 03 of 2019, pending in the court of special judge, within bracket, PCA, UPI Arunachal Pradesh, shall remain state.
In PCA case number 12 of 22.
Huh?
In PCA case
yeah,
number.
Corresponding to PCA case number
12 of 2022.
Shall remain state. List after 6 weeks.
Madam, it seems that there are other accused persons. So, madam, specific period is so far it relates to the madam petitioner only. Pereira is my lord.
Oh, so there are other petitioners also.
My lord, it seems my lord. I have
Shall
lost
remain stayed in respect of the present.
petitioner.
Obliged, highly obliged.
Deeply obliged.
Mr. Soike has there. You have some items.
Yes, Lordship, I am here, Lordship. Item number 32.
32. What is it, WPC?
It is, Lordship, the original case was fixed for, challenge was regarding termination of a agreement, Lordship. In the year 2007, we have entered an agreement with the Arunachal government for establishing a power project, Lordship. So,
Okay.
however, it was terminated in 2019. Now that termination period is almost given up, we are now praying for compensation. So for that purpose, three vital documents are required to be annexed with the affidavit, Lordship. So I am praying for this honorable court's indulgence to allow me to file an additional affidavit by incorporating those three vital documents and fixing the matter in the first week of November, Lordship.
Okay. Your item number 32.
32 along with there are two tag matters are there.
33 and 34. Other items are also there. Then item number 32, 33, 34, you're right. Heard the learned senior counsel, Mr. D. Soikia, appearing for the
Writ petition, Lord. Writ petition.
Writ petitioner. Heard Mr. Senapati. Heard Mr.
For respondent number 4.
D. Senapati.
D. Senapati.
I've heard Mr. D. Senapati appearing for the respondent number 2.
4 and 5.
Respondent number 4 and 5. You are also appearing.
For the petitioner, my lord.
Huh?
For the petitioner.
For the petitioner. Then I heard Mr. D. Soikia, assisted by MS
and Gogoi.
And Gogoi, appearing for the petitioner. Heard Mr. D. Senapati appearing for respondents 3 and 4. Para
4 and 5.
4 and 5. Mr. Soikia has submitted that he wants to bring on record certain documents, and to that effect, he prayed for some time to file the necessary additional affidavit. After hearing both sides, the prayer of Mr. Soikia is allowed. When do you want it?
Lordship,
On 4th of November.
4th of November, Lordship, it can be definitely taken up on that day. What I am praying, Lordship, further that in 3 weeks' time, I will file the affidavit. And in the meantime, if they want to file any counter also, let them file on 4th. It matter may be fixed for final disposal.
Okay. Wait for some time to file the additional affidavit. The prayer of Mr. Soikia is allowed. It is further directed that the case shall be listed on 9th November.
The 4th.
4th November for final disposal. Therefore, before that day, the respondents are at liberty to file the reply.
Lordship. Deeply obliged, Lordship.
Item number 29.
None of this.
Okay.
1-3. None appears for the petitioner on call.
Item number 11, 2019.
None appears for appellant on call. Heard MST Genie. Still added additional public prosecutor for a state of Arunachal Pradesh. Since none appears for appellant on call, the matter is adjourned today. List after 4 weeks.
Deeply obliged.
Item number 31. Immediate appeal 04.
Who was recent?
This is criminal appeal 04, who is?
Yes, my lord. Yes. My lord, I'm afraid no today, my lord. May humbly pray, my lord, in that event, my lord may can be adjourn the matter, my lord. 4 weeks time, maybe.
Huh? Other day,
No, 4 weeks time, my lord.
4 weeks time.
Because Mr. Kosik is not here. I'm appealing for the state respondents, my lord.
Down appears for the appellant on call. Heard Mr. Opada. Appearing for the respondent. Since down appears for the petition, appellant on call, the case is adjourned today. List of the 4 weeks.
My lord, obliged, man.
We see they have not come yet. अभी तक तो नहीं आया ना? कनेक्ट कर दीजिए. हमारा कितना बाकी है? खत्म हो गया? हो गया? तो कनेक्ट कर दीजिए. यस. आगे. ओके, अभी आपको ये लेंगे.
May your lordship, I beg to mention item number 8.
Item number
8.
10.
8.
8.
Yes, your lordship.
WPC.
Yes, actually we missed it. We were in court number 1, so maybe taken up to date then, if it's possible.
Okay, I have already passed the order.
Actually, on Monday, the conducting council won't be available here. That's the issue.
You want to change of date?
Yes. If
What
not
date
possible
was
today,
given?
it's given on Monday, 16th.
On 16?
Yes.
I do not remember. You want another date?
Maybe taken up today itself.
Today cannot be taken. Once gun is done.
Maybe tomorrow then.
Tomorrow also cannot be done. When it is directed to be listed? Item number 8. Huh?
8.
It was fixed
After
on,
4 weeks.
Your Lordship, it was fixed on Monday, Your Lordship.
Monday, I guess it's 16th.
On 16th, Your Lordship.
Yes.
If you want it early, then you mention it on some other day. Not this week. Next week.
May I please, Your Honor?
Yeah.
And I'm so sorry. I wanted to mention an item, BA number 91 of 2024 for tomorrow, Your Honor. Because
What
it was
is the
listed,
matter?
it was initially listed on 9th of September, but since the council was from Guwahati, they could not come here. So it was mentioned for 11th, but by mistake it was.
No, what is
listed
the
on-
matter?
It's a bail matter.
Bail matter.
Yes, sir. It's only for motion, Your Honor, for tomorrow.
When?
Tomorrow, Your Honor.
Bail means anticipatory bail or?
No, normal, regular bail.
Regular bail.
Regular.
You take it on Monday.
Monday, Your Honor.
Monday.
Obliged.
Video अभी तक ready नहीं हुआ है. What is it? Buildings. I'll see it again.
Lordship, in this case, Lordship, statutory period is over, Lordship. Today, 62 days, Lordship. And offense is under 108 of the BNS, Lordship.
What is 108?
Lordship, abatement of
Abatement of
suicide,
suicide.
Lordship, extend up to 10 years, Lordship, punishment.
It is
And Lordship,
maximum period is 60 days.
yes, Lordship, 60 days, Lordship.
What is Mr. Sharma?
My lord,
Maximum period over. Today is 62 days.
Yes.
my lord, I have also taken the instruction, my lord, that charge sheet not submitted, my lord,
Not submitted.
pending, my lord.
Heard Mr. B. Chaudhary, appearing for the petitioner. Heard Mr. B. Sharma, the learned additional public prosecutor for the state of Assam. Para. This is an application under section 483 of BNSS 2023. Praying for granting regular bail in respect of Tamulpur PS case number 159 of 2024, corresponding to case number 561 of 2024. Stop. Para. Mr. Chaudhary has submitted that today is the 62nd day of detention and therefore the petitioner is entitled to default bail. Para. Mr. Sharma has submitted that he has instructions that the charge sheet has not been filed as yet. Para. I have considered the submissions made by the learned counsel on both sides. Para. The petitioner is entitled to default bail. Therefore, the petitioner Gopal Upadhyay, who was arrested in connection with Tamulpur PS case number 159 of 2024, corresponding to GR case number 561 of 2024, shall be released on bail of rupees 25,000 of a surety of like amount to the satisfaction of the learned
CGM Baksa Masalpur.
to the learned Chief Judicial Magistrate Baksa Musalpur.
Yes,
Judicial Magistrate Musalpur Baksa.
yes, Lordship.
The bail application stands disposal.
Highly obliged. Obliged.
Item number
May I
2.
please, your lordship?
Yes.
May I please, your lordship? Regular
Yes.
bail application, my lord. Allegation under section, my lord, 120B, 498A, oblique 109, oblique 302 IPC, my lord. Petitioner has been arrested, my lord, on 21/6/2024, my lord.
Is
83 days already
is this a second application?
No, my lord.
First application.
First application.
My lordship may call for CD, my lord, here.
Yes.
Three
KJ
zero-
received or not? KJ received or not?
CD, my lord, today is motion, my lord.
Motion, my
Oh, today motion, no, it's,
By
I
18,
will call, I will call the case day.
My lord.
by 18, my lord, 90 days will be over, my lord. By 18.
Huh?
18, on 18, 90 days will be covered.
Heard Mr. Rahman.
On 18th, my lord. 18th, my lord. My lord.
Okay. You are B. Rahman.
Yes, my lord.
Heard Mr. B. Rahman, the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Heard Mr. B. Sharma, the learned additional public prosecutor for the state of Assam. Call for the case day. When you will come?
Hazo, my lord. Hazo, please.
Hazo, my lord. Hazo, 18th, my lord.
On 18th.
1/8. 18th, my lord.
1/8.
My lord.
On 18th September.
Hello.
Item number 3.
May I listen? May I pay
Yes.
for my lord? Call for a CD, my lord, a short date matter.
Okay. Heard Mr. A. Kondikar.
From Sipazar, my lord. 19th, my lord.
Okay.
One
Appearing for the
night.
petitioner.
My
Heard Mr. B. Sharma, the learned additional public prosecutor for the state of Assam. Call for the case day. List on 19th September.
My lord.
Deep low.
Item number 4.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
This application is filed under section 42 of the BNSS, praying for granting period bail to the accused petitioner, lordship. FIR is page number 11, lordship.
Yes.
Married, lordship.
Yes.
It is humbly stated that below mentioned scheduled land is joint property of my father Syed Ali and Fatima Bibi. On last so and so, said Fatima Bibi sold her share, which is half of the property of 4/21, that is so and so, to Mukabbir Ali and Khaddar Ali. But my parental property of 2 bika 1 kata, 2 satak is still remain, and we have been possessing and enjoying the ownership of the said land as our ancestral property by paying the government revenue regularly. Meanwhile, below mentioned accused number 1 to 18 in conspiracy with the accused number 19 and 20 for illegal gain in exchange of huge money muted their names in our line in third RS by manipulating the government records. We came to learn about the said matter recently, and due to commit such type of forgery by the accused person, I will be deprived from my ancestral property and I will be suffered loss and injury. It is
Okay,
therefore.
all right. All right. I will give you interim protection. Heard
My lord,
Mr. Your DA.
MS Mondal, lordship.
Heard Mr. MS Mondal.
Perhaps they are the Mondal and Kanungu, my lord.
Oh, yes, yes.
Yes, we are doing our duty as per the official's order, lordship.
19 and 20, my lord, Rotinder Das, my lord. He is the, my lord, Kanungu. Page 16, my lord. Page 16, my lord. FIR.
Yes.
Rotinder Das, my lord, Kanungu, my lord.
Oh, Kanungu.
And 19 is an Osit Boran Purokasta. He is the petitioner number 2, my lord. Here, my lord.
Okay. I will give them interim protection.
My lord.
Heard Mr. MS Mondal. Appearing for the how many petitioners?
Two, my lord.
Petitioners, heard Mr. B. Sharma,
My
the
lord.
learned additional public prosecutor for the state of Arunachal Pradesh. Para. Call for the case day.
My lord.
Para. Heard the learned counsels of both sides in the matter of a prayer for interim protection. Mr. Sharma has objected to this bail this interim prayer. Para. After hearing both sides, this court is of the opinion that at this stage, the petitioners deserve to be given interim protection. Accordingly, as an interim measure, it is hereby directed that in the event of arrest in connection with Silsar PS case number 1300/2022, the petitioners Ratindra Das and Ashit Baron Purakasta shall be released on bail of rupees 25,000 each, which surety them like amount to the satisfaction of the arresting authority. Stop. Both the petitioners are directed to appear before the investigating officer within next 10 days from today. List again on
My lord, 24.
My lord, maybe list on 24/9/2024.
24/9.
Yes.
Similar cases are pending.
Pending.
Okay, all right.
Oblige, Lord.
Item number 5.
Mayor, please, Lordship. My lord, this is second bail application. My lord, what happened, my lord, petitioner number 1 is behind the bar since 71 days. And petitioner number 2 is behind the bar for 65 days. Earlier rejection order is at page number 22. Relevant portion is at page number 24, my lord. So far the earlier rejection order, my lord, postmortem report could not assert in the cause of death, my lord, and the visa are sent for FSL examination. So, my lord, perhaps the investigation of this case is almost in ripened condition, my lord. Further custodial detention may not be required, my lord, as because the accused number has already been granted bail by your lordship, my lord. By order dated 21/9/2024, my lord. FIR is at page number 12.
Okay, Mr. Paramanik.
My lord.
I will take it up on Monday.
My lord.
My lord.
In the video conference, it is
My lord, my lord.
My lord. My lord.
Heard Mr. A. Paramanik appearing for the petitioners. Heard Mr. B. Sharma, the learned additional public prosecutor for the state of Arunachal Pradesh. List again on next Monday. What will be the date? 16.
6, my lord. My lord, CTB written, my lord.
Huh?
Yes, there will be written, my lord.
Case diary is available.
Available.
Listen 16.
My lord.
Case diary shall be retained.
My lord.
Okay then.
My lord.
Okay.